Hi, my name is Janet Lynn. I'm the owner-operator of Buttonwood Farm here in Southwest Ranches, which is in Broward County, Florida. Here at Buttonwood Farm, we offer the very best in quality boarding for horses that are in training with our trainers here. We have a faculty of trainers from beginning to advanced Grand Prix and Dressage. We also have some hunter-jumper training as well. We offer full board only with a custom feeding program, 4 times a day hay, walkout paddocks with every 12 by 12 stall. Excellent care for all of the horses here is the priority for the management of Buttonwood. Of course, we have the wonderful new covered arena that we can train in year-round, not worry about the flooding as well as the sun. We have the very best people here. We have a great group of people that are very supportive of each other. Buying this farm 4 years ago was a dream of mine for most of my life, to have my own place, and I've been fixing it up ever since. And the largest capital investment I put into my farm was the covered arena last year, 2017, and it's fantastic because I went ahead and mandated that it be hurricane proof. It has insulation, so we have the added feature of being cooler in the summer in the covered than other cupboards that don't have insulation. Great investment to make on your property. Allied was great to work with in the building of the covered. I highly recommend the company. They were the highest quality in materials and in personnel. I've already recommended them to others in the neighborhood that are interested in putting their own covered up, and they're a great company to work with.